बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हमने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल के एमसीक्यूज़ की सीरीज़ शुरू की हुई है। पीपीएससी के ओल्ड पेपर एमसीक्यूज़ हैं ये। हमने एक पार्ट बना लिया है 50 एमसीक्यू तक, और दूसरा पार्ट आज हमारा स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। अगर आपने पहले पार्ट प्रीवियस देखना है तो ऊपर लेफ़्ट साइड पे आपको लिंक नज़र आ रहा होगा, वहाँ पे क्लिक करें और प्रीवियस वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं। 51 question in Excel typically worksheet has the number of the column to 56. 52 in Excel how many characters can be typed in the single cell? 65,535. 53 question Excel worksheet can have a maximum of the number of the rows. 65,535. 54 question in Excel the following is not an example of the value of the serial number 50,771. 55 question Excel chart Wizard term the data series refer to the a collection of the chart data marker कहलाता है। 56 question in Excel chart Wizard term data category refer to a horizontal axis कहलाता है। Question number 56 in Excel worksheet range is correct answer C a group of cell कहलाता है। Question number 58 in Excel getting data from a cell located in a different sheet is called कहलाता है, referencing कहलाता है। 59 question Excel tabs scrolling button correct answer D allow the you to view the additional sheet tabs कहलाता है। 60 question in Excel numeric value can be treated as the label value if it proceed with कहलाता है apostrophe कहलाता है। 61 question Excel construction of the text can be done the using ampersand कहलाता है। 62 question Excel data can be arranged in the worksheet in easy to understand manner using all of the above कहता है। to formatting applying style changing format font all of the above कहता है। 63 question in Excel you can use the drag and the drop to embedded Excel worksheet data in a Word document कहलाता है by dragging a range of the Excel data to the Word button on the taskbar while pressing the control कहता है। 64 question Excel the auto calculate feature कहता है provides a quick way to view the result of a thematic operation on a range of the cell कहता है। Question number 65 in Excel to view the cell comment position the mouse pointer over the cell कहता है। 66 question in Excel they say that they want to paste formula result but not the underlying formula to the another cell. The Excel though you want to copy the cell with the formula, then place the intersection point the cell you want to copy to the what next. Correct answer C. Click the arrow on the paste button on the standard toolbar, then click values. 67 question in Excel you can select the single range of the cell by dragging over the desired cell. 68 question all formula in Excel start with the equals. 69 question in Excel you can use the function to combine the text from two cells into one cell, but you can use the operator to the same thing which is the operation equal कहलाता है। 70 question Excel two common wild card character that X recognized as asterisk and question mark. 71 question Excel divide the symbol is the slash. 72 question Excel to add to cell A1 and A2 together you choose the following formula the equal to A1 plus A2. 73 an Excel sheet the active cell in the indicated a dark white border कहलाता है। Question number 74 in Excel and on an Excel sheet the active cell in the indicated a dark white border कहलाता है। 75 question in Excel using the F11 shortcut key to create a chart on chart sheet creates कहलाता है a two dimensional column chart कहलाता है। 76 in Excel you can print all of the above a range of the cell by range name an entire worksheet a single worksheet कहलाता है। 77 question in Excel you can create only horizontal page break by the first selecting. Correct answer A and C a row below the row where you want to the page break to occur. Correct answer A C cell in the column A. 78 question in Excel you can create a hyperlink from the Excel workbook to all of the above. A web page on company internet, a web page on the internet, other office application document. 79 question Excel cell reference for the range of the cell that start in the cell B1 and the goes over to the column G1 and the down to the row 10 at that B1 G10. 80 question Excel advantage of using a separate sheet is called कहलाते हैं all of the above कहलाते हैं. 81 question Excel intersection of a rows and the column in the called the ASI. 82 question there are the three type of the data found in a separate sheet numbers column number formula label कहलाते हैं. 83 question है in the Excel to select the column the easiest method is the click the column heading. 84 question है in Excel you press the cell except you are typing as its content enter कहते हैं. 85 question Excel to view a cell comment कहते हैं position the mouse pointer over the cell कहते हैं. 86 question in Excel when you want to insert a blank embedded Excel object in a Word document you can click the object command on the insert menu कहते हैं. 87 question in Excel to save a workbook you click the save button on the standard toolbar from the menu कहते हैं. 88 question in Excel you can edit a cell कहते हैं double click the cell to edit in a place कहते हैं. 89 question in Excel you can select a single range of the cell by कहते हैं. Question number 90 है in Excel to copy cell content using drag and drop press the escape key. 91 question in Excel when you copy a formula Excel edit a cell reference in the navigation. 92 question in Excel automatic autofill feature automatically add range of the cell value कहते हैं. 93 question है in Excel which menu option can be sent to split windows into two windows separate कहते हैं. 94 question in Excel which of the following special function keys allow the content in a cell written कहते हैं. 95 question in Excel which is not an advantage of the using the computerized separate sheets cost of the initial setup कहते हैं. 96 question in Excel to the hold rows and the column title in the place so that they do not scroll when you scroll a worksheet click freeze bands command on the Windows menu कहते हैं. 97 question in Excel the following will not cut information pressing control plus C कहते हैं. 98 question in Excel which of the following is not a way to the pressing space bar कहते हैं. 99 question in Excel you can activate a cell all of the above कहते हैं. 100 question in Excel text formulas क्या रहता है कंसंट्रेट कंकेटेट एंड द मल्टी मैनिपुलेट टेक्स्ट के रहते हैं. आज के हमारे 100 तक MCQs कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. बाकी इंशाल्लाह थर्ड पार्ट में नेक्स्ट MCQs करेंगे. अगर आपने प्रीवियस वीडियो नहीं देखी तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.